Welcome to HitPaw Photo AI Guide series. In this video, I will introduce the AI Generator feature, which allows you to easily generate high-quality AI images in different styles in seconds. If you are interested in this, get the latest HitPaw Photo AI in the description and explore it yourself. Launch it on your desktop. Click on the AI Generator. The area on the bottom left is where you can enter your prompt. If you need some inspiration, click on Replace Prompt, and Photo AI will randomly generate one for you. You can let it generate as many times as you like, or you can type in your own prompt. Let's try a car flying in the sky, beautiful clouds, warm sunlight, science fiction, photorealistic, cinematic, close-up shot. Next, you can choose different sizes and resolution for your image. The sizes are special matched for different social media platforms, and you can generate up to 4K resolution of image. After that, choose your desired art styles on the left-hand side. This includes lots of famous styles like cyberpunk, anime, pixel art, photography, etc. Then click on Generate to get your images. Within seconds, you can see Photo AI has generated 2 images based on the prompt. If you like them, you can click on the arrow button to save it on your device. If not, you may generate again or try out some other prompt to get better results. Here are some output I generated using this prompt in different styles. All images used 4K resolution as output quality. Besides that, you can use it to generate portraits, landscape, animals, or other kinds of images. These are some portrait images I generated with HitPaw Photo AI. You can play around with different prompts yourself. The more detailed the prompt, the better image you will get. Combining with the art styles, you are able to generate 2D, 3D, photorealistic, pixel art, or any other styles you can think of. Just use your imagination. There is another feature called Image to Image. You can upload a reference image, then generate more similar images, but with a little bit variation. Whether you are an enthusiast, or designer, or simply want to generate a profile photo for yourself, Photo AI can be quite handy. What's more, you can keep enhancing the images to 8K plus quality using the AI enhancer. I will cover that part in the next guide video. Let's wrap it up for this video. If you find it useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will keep you updated of the latest AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.